Across East Anglia, in fact, possibly the coldest start in over a decade. It fell to -10 degrees at Santon Downham through the small hours. Contrast that to the start to the day in the Scottish Highlands, plus 11 degrees at Achnagat. Now, normally we'd see our colder weather coming down to the north of the UK and our milder conditions to the south, but things are inverted currently. We've got cold air stretching across, actually from the Arctic across the continent into the south of the UK as we speak, and to the north it's much milder with air flowing from quite a way south in the Atlantic. There's more cloud to the north of the UK. We will see some hill fog here. There could be some patchy rain and drizzle around the coast and across the hills. But this afternoon, temperatures in double figures. England and Wales will see some sunshine, but some hazy cloud for northern England and for Wales. Some thicker cloud pushing towards the southeast of England and East Anglia, and a cold afternoon. Some spots that had the freezing fog earlier struggling to get above freezing. Tonight, more of that cloud sitting towards the southeast of the UK. You can see the green shading here. The frost shouldn't be as hard as the night just gone, but somewhere in rural Oxfordshire, for example, could get down to -8. Again, relatively so much milder though as we look at the northern half of the UK. We've got this ridge of high pressure extending across England and Wales into the small hours of Tuesday, and underneath that ridge of high pressure we've still got a lot of moisture around from all of the rain earlier in the month. With light winds, freezing fog could be an issue again tomorrow, but slightly different areas today. The Welsh Marches, the Midlands, East Anglia looking like favoured spots. That cloud to the south should protect the Thames Valley somewhat more. A greyer day though potentially for some southern counties on Tuesday. A lot of sunshine when we do shift any of the early morning mist and fog, but if it lingers in any spots, temperatures struggling to get above freezing, and again pretty chilly for much of England and Wales, much milder for Scotland and Northern Ireland, but some cloud around here. Now, late Tuesday into Wednesday, we start to see a weather front sinking south. Normally, us picking up a northwesterly wind would mean colder air coming in, but actually through Wednesday, that is tapping us into some air that, although coming in from the north, has originated in the Atlantic. So actually what it will do is squeeze away eventually that Arctic air from the south of the UK. Wednesday, already relatively milder for many. Temperatures about average for the time of year. Still a few colder spots though to the far south of the UK. But generally our trend towards the end of the week is, yes, we pick up a northerly wind. Temperatures around average at best, but to the south it will be considerably milder than it is currently.